If your 2015 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra GT is running rough, losing power, or showing a check engine light, this could be a much bigger problem than a simple tune-up. Have you noticed a stubborn engine misfire, weak acceleration, or a rough idle that keeps coming back? Stay with me, because the repair cost on this Hyundai Elantra GT issue can get expensive fast. A lot of drivers first notice the Hyundai Elantra GT feels rough at idle or starts hesitating when they accelerate. The engine may shake, stumble, or feel weak like it is fighting to make power. At first, it is easy to think the problem is spark plugs, ignition coils, bad fuel, or a dirty injector. Those are common causes of a Hyundai misfire, so that is where many people look first. But this issue can go much deeper. Hyundai points to exhaust valve leakage on certain 2015 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra GT models equipped with the NU 2.0 MPI engine. When an exhaust valve starts leaking, that cylinder cannot seal and burn fuel the way it should. That can lead to rough running, engine misfire symptoms, poor acceleration, and a Hyundai Elantra GT that feels weaker over time. This is where the problem starts turning into something more serious. Once combustion is not happening correctly, unburned fuel can move into the exhaust and put extra stress on the catalytic converter. That means a rough-running Hyundai Elantra GT may not just have an engine misfire problem. It can also develop catalytic converter damage, which makes the repair bill much higher. Another warning sign is engine oil that smells like gasoline. If fuel is getting into the oil, the problem is no longer just about drivability. Gasoline in the oil can reduce lubrication and add even more concern about engine wear. So now you are not just dealing with a rough idle or loss of power. You may be dealing with a deeper engine problem that needs major repair. This is the kind of issue that frustrates owners because it can feel like a normal Hyundai Elantra GT misfire at first. The car may act like it only needs basic ignition parts, but the real problem can be inside the cylinder head. That is what makes this Hyundai Elantra GT problem so expensive. What starts as rough running, engine hesitation, or power loss can lead to cylinder head replacement and catalytic converter replacement. When this condition is confirmed, the repair can involve checking for exhaust valve leakage and replacing the cylinder head if needed. If the catalytic converter has already been damaged, that can become part of the repair too. So this is not the kind of repair where a shop just clears the code and sends you on your way. This can turn into a major engine and exhaust repair on the Hyundai Elantra GT 2.0. Some owners dealing with Hyundai rough running and catalytic converter trouble describe the car feeling weak, noisy, sluggish, or just not right for a while before the real cause is found. Others spend money chasing smaller fixes before learning the problem is much deeper. That pattern makes sense because a leaking exhaust valve can act like several other engine problems at the same time. It can feel like a basic misfire, then slowly reveal itself as a bigger cylinder head and catalytic converter issue. If your Hyundai Elantra GT has been running rough for a while, there is also a chance the catalytic converter has been under stress longer than you realize. That can create more restriction, more heat, and even worse power loss. The total repair cost depends on how far the damage has gone. If the issue is caught early, the cost may stay lower than many owners fear. But if the cylinder head needs to be replaced and the catalytic converter is part of the job too, the total can jump quickly. A rough 2026 estimate at an independent shop would be around $2,200 to $3,800. At a dealership, a rough total could be around $3,200 to $5,400, depending on parts, labor, and how much work the car ends up needing. That is not a small repair, and it is why rough running on a Hyundai Elantra GT should not be ignored. The big takeaway is simple. If your 2015 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra GT with the 2.0 engine has a rough idle, engine misfire, power loss, or repeated check engine light, this may be more than plugs or coils. Exhaust valve leakage can create a chain reaction that hurts engine performance, contaminates the oil with fuel, and damages the catalytic converter. And once that happens, the repair bill gets serious in a hurry. If your Hyundai Elantra GT is running rough or losing power, let me know what symptoms showed up first. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and drop your experience in the comments.